Swiss yen I'm currently in, so it's pulling back a little bit today, and then odds are it's just got to find some support and then it'll head higher, I hope. So something like that. So you're seeing it touch this zone, find its area of support before it wants to head higher, and then ideally it'll come, touch this area again, break it, and head higher and go towards its monthly range of 164.5 here. So that's what I'm hoping for. Yesterday was very bullish. There's a ton of bullish momentum. Today it's pulling back, but this is very, as of right now, it's a very insignificant candle. So just going to, yeah, maybe it might add to this position actually, depending on how today closes, and tomorrow might add to the position on Monday, so we'll see. But that's Swiss